Create a 3-minute YouTube video about how to make a delicious iced coffee at home. This video will guide you through the simple steps to craft a refreshing beverage that's perfect for any time of the day. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or just looking for a cool drink to beat the heat, this recipe is for you. You'll need cold brew coffee or chilled brewed coffee, some ice cubes, and a few other ingredients to make your iced coffee truly special. Start by preparing your coffee in advance and letting it chill in the refrigerator. This will ensure that your iced coffee is smooth and flavorful. Next, gather your choice of milk or cream. You can use regular milk, almond milk, soy milk, or any other type of milk you prefer. Adding milk or cream will give your iced coffee a rich and creamy texture that enhances its taste. And if you want, a splash of vanilla syrup or caramel drizzle to take it to the next level. These syrups add a touch of sweetness and a burst of flavor that can make your iced coffee even more enjoyable. Experiment with different flavors to find your perfect combination. Enjoy your homemade iced coffee. Step 1. Brew or chill your coffee. This is the foundation of your perfect iced coffee experience. First, brew a strong cup of coffee. The strength of your coffee is crucial because it will be diluted by the ice. You can use a French press, drip coffee maker, or any other method you prefer. Each method brings out different flavors and strengths. Alternatively, you can opt for cold brew concentrate. This method is less acidic and offers a smoother taste. Once brewed, let it chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes. This step is essential to avoid melting the ice too quickly. Or you can use coffee you've already brewed and cooled. This is a great way to use leftover coffee and save time. Remember, the key to a great iced coffee is starting with a strong, flavorful brew and ensuring it's properly chilled before serving. Step 2, prep your glass. Next, grab a glass and fill it with plenty of ice. This is what gives your iced coffee that cool, refreshing vibe. Step 3, pour the coffee. Now pour your chilled coffee over the ice. You can see how refreshing it looks already. Here's where you can truly customize your iced coffee to suit your taste and preferences. Start by adding your preferred milk or cream. You can choose from whole milk, which gives a rich and creamy texture, or opt for almond milk if you prefer a nutty flavor. Oat milk is another great option, offering a smooth and slightly sweet taste. If you like your iced coffee on the sweeter side, consider adding a splash of vanilla syrup for a classic flavor, or a caramel drizzle for a richer, more indulgent taste. You can also add your favorite sweetener, whether it's sugar, honey, or a sugar substitute. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect blend. Enjoy your personalized iced coffee creation. Give it a quick stir to mix everything together and your iced coffee is ready to enjoy. And there you have it, a delicious iced coffee made right at home. It's perfect for a hot day or whenever you need a caffeine boost. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy and delicious drink recipes. See you next time.